Hey everyone! So I was having trouble updating my mouse, specifically the Aerox 3 wireless. Now, I always keep the dongle plugged into the back of my PC so I don't have to constantly unplug and plug it in. And when I need to charge the mouse, I just connect a Type-C cable, and it charges fine. But the issue came up when I tried to update the dongle. Every time I disconnected the mouse, it would tell me to press enter on my keyboard, but nothing happened. It just wouldn't respond. After trying a few things, here's what finally worked. Don't turn on your Aerox 3 mouse. Instead, use another mouse, a backup one. Plug it in, hit the start button, and proceed with the EA update. Using a different mouse allowed the update to go through with no problems, so if you're running into the same issue and the keyboard enter key isn't working, just try another mouse. It should fix it. Alright, I hope that helps. Thanks for watching, and peace.